So I am going to make a Akuri dish. It's an egg Akuri. A lot of restaurants actually call it Akuri, but it's a anda bhuji. Akuri is a very traditional Parsi dish, and married to a Parsi, I've learned how to make it. It's very different. It's not fancy, and it's made in ghee. Makes a perfect Sunday breakfast. It's one of my cheat meals. I love it with toast or some bun. Said enough. Check out the recipe and try it. Heat a pan. Add some ghee generously. You don't need to wait for the ghee to get hot. Just add your onion. And I'm going to put one green chili. Now when it looks translucent, add a little bit of ginger garlic paste, a little turmeric and a little red chili powder, and give it a good mix. One onion, and I'm adding one tomato. Once you put the tomato, add your salt. Now on a low flame, allow the tomato to melt. Add a little bit of coriander and let this cook. In the meantime, beat 2 eggs. Now my tomatoes have melted nicely. Now make the gas low and add your egg. Now you must not overcook this egg. You either keep the gas on a low or you switch it off. The secret is to take it off at the right time. Sometimes I lift it from the stove and then I put it back. And my Akuri is ready. It's so easy, but do give it a try. This is a traditional Parsi Akuri as I know it. A lot of people have it with roti for lunch as well, but I like it as a breakfast. Now let's plate it. Placing this on my toast. Smells amazing. Here is a traditional Parsi Akuri on toast. Now let me taste it. Really good. Try it.